All right, guys, we're going to Alla Vita. Let's get inside. All right, guys, check it out. Beautiful ambiance here. Quick go over of the menu, obviously. Lots of gluten-free pasta options, so don't worry. Nicole says the wine list is pretty good. All right, went with the fresh olives, the Sangiovese, and I went with an orange wine. Surprise, surprise. All right, look at this. Gluten-free bread, whipped ricotta with the chili honey. Oh, boy. Look at that. Oh. All right, the short rib. It usually is a tagliatelle, but you can only do the one gluten-free pasta noodle, and Nicole did the alla vodka. Looks amazing. This one was recommended. All right, guys, that place was pretty good. Some of the pasta was a little like, I thought maybe like 3.8 out of 5. The appetizers were great, and the wine list was really good. The ambiance is, I think, what really captures this place. But still a good spot. I recommend checking it out. All right.